Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope so you all are fine. Today I have a question 81 raised to the power sine square x plus 81 raised to the power cos square x which is equal to 30, and we will find the value of x where x is an angle between 0 degree and 360 degree. Here we have sine square x and here we have cos square x. So we will apply here trigonometric rule, which is cos square x plus sine square x is equal to 1. And from here we will find the value of cos square x. So cos square x will be equal to 1 minus sine square x. Now we will substitute the value of cos square in place of cos square x. So above equation will become 81 raised to the power sine square x plus 81 raised to the power cos square x is equal to 1 minus sine square x, which is equal to 30. So from here it will become 81 raised to the power sine square x plus, we can write it as 81 raised to the power 1 into 81 raised to the power minus sine square x, which is equal to 30. In next step, it will become 81 raised to the power sine square x plus 81 raised to the power 1 is same as 81, and we can write it as divided by 81 raised to the power sine square x, which is equal to 30. So here sine square x and sine square x are same power, so we will let that u is equal to sine square x. We have supposed that u is equal to sine square x, so above equation will become 81 raised to the power u plus 81 divided by 81 raised to the power u, which is equal to 30. To remove this denominator, we will multiply whole equation with 81 raised to the power u. So we will multiply whole equation with 81 raised to the power u. So it will become 81 raised to the power u and 81 raised to the power u. Bases are same, so powers will be added. So it will become 81 raised to the power 2u plus, when it will multiply with this term, so 81 raised to the power u and 81 raised to the power u will be cancelled out and it will become 81, which is equal to 30 into 81 raised to the power u. Now we will rearrange this equation. So it will become 81 raised to the power 2u and it will become negative 30 into 81 raised to the power u plus 81 is equal to 0. Now here 81 raised to the power u is common here. So we will suppose that v is equal to 81 raised to the power u. So this equation will become 81 raised to the power u is same as v, so it will become v square minus 30v plus 81, which is equal to 0. Now it is the form of a quadratic equation, so we will find its factors. So product should be equal to 81 and sum should be equal to 30. So we will take factors v square minus 27u minus 27v minus 3v plus 81, which is equal to 0. Minus 27v and minus 3v is same as minus 30v, and minus 27 into minus 3v is same as 81v square. So from first two term we have v is common and we have left v minus 27 minus, in both terms we have 3 is common. This divided by this will be equal to v and this divided by this will be equal to 27, which is equal to 0. Now we have here v minus 27 is common. So this divided by this will be equal to v and this divided by this will be equal to 3, which is equal to 0. So here we have two factors, that v minus 27 is equal to 0 or v minus 3 is equal to 0. So from here we have v is equal to 27 and from here v is equal to 3. But we have already supposed that v is equal to 81 raised to the power u. So we will put the value of v here. So it will become 81 raised to the power u is equal to 27. Same case here, 81 raised to the power u is equal to 3. And 81 is same as 3 raised to the power 4 and this power will become 4u, which is equal to 27 is same as 3 raised to the power 3. And here again 3 raised to the power 4u, which is equal to 3 raised to the power 1. 3 is same as 3 raised to the power 1. So bases are same in both cases. So we will equate its powers. So from here 4u is equal to 3 and here 4u is equal to 1. So from here u is equal to 3 divided by 4 and here u is equal to 1 divided by 4. U is equal to 3 divided by 4 and u is equal to 1 divided by 4. But if we recall that u is equal to sine square x, so it will become sine square x is equal to 3 divided by 4 and it will become sine square x is equal to 1 divided by 4. Now we will take square root on both sides. So square and square root will be cancelled out and it will become sine x is equal to plus minus square root of 3 and square root of 4 is same as 2. And in this case it will become sine x is equal to square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 4 is 2 and plus minus 1 divided by 2. But our main target is to find the values of x, to find the angles x. So here we have sine x is equal to plus minus square root of 3 divided by 2 and sine x is equal to plus minus 1 divided by 2. And sine 30 is equal to 1 divided by 2. And we know that sine 60 is equal to plus minus square root of 3 divided by 2. So we will make here a right angle triangle, which is so it is 30 degree and it is 60 degree and it is right angle. So sine x is equal to, or sine theta is equal to, some people have means perpendicular over hypotenuse. So its perpendicular is its opposite side, which is 1 divided by 2 and hypotenuse will be 1. And similarly in this case 60 degree, so it will be equal to square root of 3 divided by 2 and its opposite is 1. Now we will suppose to find the values of x between 0 degree and 360 degree, whereas it is only a right angle triangle. So we will draw a circle here. So we will make a circle Now we will draw here our given angles, which are 30 degree and 60 degree, and find the values of x between 0 degree and 360 degree. So here we have 30 degree, similarly it is 30 degree, so here we have values of x, which is equal to 30 degree, and it will be equal to 180 degree minus 30 degree, which is equal to 150 degree, and it will be equal to 180 degree plus 30 degree, so it will become 210 degree, and this will become 360 degree minus 30 degree, so it will be equal to 330 degree. So here we get the values of x when it is plus minus 1 divided by 2, whereas for positive 1 divided by 2 it is above the x plane, and it is below the x plane when it is negative 1 divided by 2. It is negative 1 divided by 2 and it is positive 1 divided by 2. In the next step, let's draw it as an angle 60 degree, whereas it is square root of 3 divided by 2. So it will be in this way. Here is angle 60 degree. So we will make a right angle triangle. Here is also a 60 degree and we will make its right angle triangle. So same case here. So this is for square root of 3 divided by 2. So we will find other angles. So x is equal to, first of all, it is 60 degree. In this place it is 180 minus 60 degree, which is equal to 120 degree. This angle will be 180 degree plus 60 degree, so it will be equal to 240 degree, and it will be equal to 360 minus 60 degree, so it will be equal to 300 degree. So these are the values of x when it is square root of 3 plus minus square root of 3 divided by 2. So these are all the values of x in this problem. Hope so you will like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.